Bonus round. Bonus round. Thank you, Jamadi. Ooh, 25 times. So now the biggest is 2,500. Woohoo!
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
So go ahead, place your bets if you want to. Let's see what's next. Lily, Umani, Lord King, congratulations, your top minutes of last round. Nicely done, everyone, nicely done. Let's see what's next, shall we? Bets are closed. 4x and 2. Oh, wow! Well, you look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, a crazy time. Let's go. Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome to Crazy Time. Ladies and gentlemen, please now make your decision. Which color do you think is gonna be the luckiest, huh? The luckiest of all. Ladies and gentlemen, the highest multiplier, ooh, 200x, but there is less doubles there, so come on, let's get a 200.
This is the amount of money issued, 25,782 euros.
Ooh, 25x, 20x, and yellow, 200x.
35 and 100 double, ladies and gentlemen, as well. Let's go. Let us know, go. 100x, that's the max. Multiplying this. Let's hope we're gonna be good, ladies and gentlemen. Best time to all of you. Wow, going straight for the 15x it is. That's well, ladies and gentlemen. 1,120 solo winners. Congratulations all of you. Best luck next round. Let's have another fully open now again. Welcome you on up. Let us know how you guys do. Alright, so let us know spin again. Place and bets and good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Last seconds. Bets now going to be closing down. Cash hunt with a 5x, ladies and gentlemen, now. Hey, would you look at that? Cash hunt with a 5x, not too bad. Very nice. Welcome back to Cash hunt, ladies and gentlemen. Right here, right now. It is fixed. What is this moderator talking about? Ladies and gentlemen. 5x from the top slot, and there we go, the max multiplier 500x. Wish you best of luck. Take a look. Alright. There we go. Let's now take a look, ladies and gentlemen. The carousel now has been stopped. It is now your decision time, ladies and gentlemen, to hit what you want. If you don't want to sign for this all, how about we let auto pick choose for you, huh? How about that? Maybe it's gonna be good, maybe it's gonna be bad. Maybe it's gonna be whatever, you know, maybe right then.
This is the amount of money issued, 38,046 euros.
The full board, 500x almost in the middle, a little bit down, and there we go. 18 people got a 500x. 1,351 solo winners. Congratulations, all of you. Best luck in the next round. Bets and now they're fully open.
35 is the highest. Come on, 25, 15. 15x soda.
Guapa is also beautiful, but Marcelina means Chris down with the 2x. Oh, come on, Flapper. Give that 2x crazy time. Give that 2x crazy time! Topslot win for crazy time, finally! Let's open the red door. Let's go. Let's open the red door. Let's go for crazy time. For the crazy world. Welcome everyone to crazy time with a 2x Topslot. And 2x from the Topslot. And you have to choose your favorite flapper. Blue, green, yellow. Which one you would pick? Which one you would pick, everyone? And the most popular is the blue. And the highest on the wheel is 400x. But let's double it. Let's double it.
This is the amount of money issued 25,589 euros.
200x for the green flapper, 40x for the blue, and 30x for the yellow. 650 winners. Wow, green team, 200x. Who got 200x? Tell me, Feria, you got 200x. Who all got 200x? Oh, no, Grace. Congratulations, Grace.
U_1301562 KRGA and HYYSY as the top three. Congrats to you guys. Let's go again. Right, betting time is now close. This may or may not be our final spin together. We'll see how it goes. I have a number one with a 20x Topslot. What is that? But we got a pachinko for the finish. My colleague saying one would have been better. Let's prove him wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to the pachinko for the final time in our session. This is the end. Let's see how we finish. We get a 3x to begin with, followed by 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 40, 200, and 2 doubles. Man, a 200 for the finish would be very nice. But we are dropping on the completely opposite side. Well, there is actually a 7x. Good luck. Double? Somehow, we managed to scrape up a double. All right, now we have a 400x. What are we dropping now? Oh, this could be huge. Good luck. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
This is the amount of money issued 263,235 euros.
And that is, ladies and gentlemen, how I end my session. Congrats to all the winners. Thank you for playing. Good luck.
Guys, what was that? My name is I'm going to be here 40 minutes, guys. Now my session is doomed. Guys, prepare some ones.
Y0LV72B, Jill, and Amar1234 at the top 5. Congrats to you guys. Let's go again. Betting time closed. have a cash in with a 10x top slot, that would be very nice. And that is actually exactly what we get, a cash in with a 10x top slot. That's pretty nice. Let's go hunting. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the cash in, our second bonus game of the session. Let's see what the base board looks like. It's going to be only 100, no additional ones. Now let's apply the 10x we have from the top slot, and the board should look much better. Yep, there's a 1K, there's a 500, there's at least 500s. Okay, it's looking pretty good, not gonna lie. Let's pull that lever, start the carousel. Still, there's a couple 50s, only 50s. No hundos, just 50. So try to avoid those. I mean, there's like only 4 or something like that. There's not many of them, so try to go for the 1,000 if you manage. That would be pretty nice. Now decision time is open for you to choose your multipliers. Wish you all the best. Right. This actually, the board looked pretty well. Decision time now closed.
This is the amount of money issued, 87,431 euros.
Yep. You can see the rest of the board for yourself. Back to the wheel. Congrats to 1,345 winners. That's
Batting it rolled over. Are you married? Am I married? No. Dude, I'm single as one can be. You're good. Dunga, thank you. You want a girlfriend? I'm not currently looking for anything. Good luck, everybody. He's married. Yeah. I am 3x on 1, guys. I'm long-term marriage. Or how do you say? Whoa! Hold on a second. Marriage can wait. We got a crazy time. Marriage can wait, guys. Let's go. Come on, baby. Crazy time. Redemption time. Hopefully. Redemption. Yes. Come on, guys. Important. Tocha, I think you can better enlighten me, son. No, it says that. No, I don't know, man. Green, blue, yellow, guys. Choose the flapper. No, come on, guys. What's it gonna be this time? We got a triple again on the wheel, by the way. By the way, triple! Come on. Let's get it. Can we get it? Triple.
This is the amount of money issued, 327,498 euros.
Oi! What is this? 200x on the green.
Autopilot 25 spins. Autopilot. GPS. Final seconds, guys. Let's go. Engage. Adjust hitting. Crazy time 7x. Don't be a one merchant, Arthur. Ah, Finley, you forgot who I am? Boom. 7x crazy time. We did this yesterday. Saturday callback. Saturday flashback. Third crazy time right at the end. 7 times top slot. Let's make it a win. Come on. Let's set a new record of the day, guys. Your highest is 500. Let's break it. Let's break it all. All the numbers multiplied 7 times. And choose your destiny. Green, blue, or yellow arrow. I'ma go yellow. Let's go, guys. 700x max. Bring it on. And a bam. Whoa, green with a double again? Guys, blue 105x, yellow 140x. Green will spin again. What is this? Oh my, 1,400x max. Green! This is literally like yesterday.
This is the amount of money issued 849,672 euros.
700x. New record of the day. Guys, that's how I'ma leave ya. And the Nutman is here. Ciao. Enjoy.
Congratulations, it's paying time. And we still need some more bonus rounds, so can we get them? Also, a top slot would be really, really nice. Fingers crossed. Good luck, best us. Come on, bonus round, bonus round, bonus round. Thank you, Dramati. Ooh, 25x on cash hunt. Oh, cash hunt, cash hunt. Come on, slower, 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 slower. Stop, stop. Yes! Woo! We got it! We got it! It's cash on with 25x Topslot! Let's go! Woo! Oh, baby, we got it. And let's see. Highest is for now 100, but we're gonna multiply it 25 times. So now the biggest is 2,500! Woohoo! Look at all the multipliers, ladies and gentlemen. Look at all the multipliers. Hey! Yeah, reminding that 2,500x is the highest multiplier on there. We do have only one of it, so you better go and find it. Okay, decision time has started. I mean, pretty much anywhere you will pick, there will be a nice multiplier, but hope you manage to get, of course, one of the higher ones. And time to see what you got now.
This is the amount of money issued 1,407,684 euros.
Let's see how many players got the 2,500. 34 players. 284 players did get 1,250 eggs. That's nice. And we have 6,075 winners. Congratulations, everybody. 67 euro win for our top winner. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Congratulations, yeah, especially to those 34 super duper lucky people who managed to find the 2,500x. Good luck. Forex and Machinko, good luck.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.